In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to successfully set up a discount in your Shopify store, ensuring you can start offering free shipping promotions to your customers. This is a fantastic way to attract more shoppers, increase sales, and boost customer satisfaction. Let's dive right into the process and make sure you understand each step clearly. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so using your credentials. Once you're on your store's homepage, locate and click the Discounts option in the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. This section is where you'll manage all discounts and promotions for your store. It's a powerful tool for helping you attract and retain customers by offering them great savings. Upon clicking Discounts, you'll be on a page that displays all the existing discounts you have set up. If this is your first time here, the page might look a little empty, but don't worry, that's about to change. To create a new discount, go ahead and click the Create Discount button. This is where the magic happens, as it opens up possibilities to customize various discount types. Now let's focus on offering a free shipping discount, which is a popular choice for encouraging customers to complete their purchases. In the options presented, select Offer Free Shipping on an Order. This ensures that customers won't have to pay for shipping, which can be a huge incentive for making a purchase, especially if they're on the fence about completing their order. After selecting the free shipping option, you'll need a discount code that your customers will use at checkout. The easiest way to create a memorable and unique code is to let Shopify do the work for you. Click on Generate Random Code. Shopify will automatically generate a unique code that your customers can use. This is a great way to ensure there are no duplicate codes and that your promotions are always fresh and unique. And there you have it. You've just created a free shipping discount in Shopify. It's crucial to promote this new discount to your audience. Consider utilizing email marketing, social media, and even your website banner to let customers know about this new offer. With this strategy, you can expect to see an increase in traffic and potentially higher conversion rates. Thank you for taking the time to go through this setup with me. Offering promotional discounts is a tried and true method to engage your audience and drive sales, and I'm confident this will be a great addition to your marketing strategy. Be sure to experiment with different types of discounts and analyze what works best for your audience. Happy selling, and see you in the next video.